These are just tiny little pots of colour. And I'm going to take some isopropyl alcohol. I'm actually just going to wet my cloth. I'm just going to give it a very quick clean with rubbing alcohol. I thought it might be a little bit fun to pop on some of these a little bit of our painter's tape. The next we're going to take our saran wrap and we're going to take our colours. I'm going to splodge it all over the place. I'm just going to squirt it around and it's just on the saran wrap. So I'm going to take the top off it and I'm just going to literally wrap it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of wiggle it around a bit. I'm just going to pat that down, pop it to one side, and then I'm going to repeat the process again. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing here. Plop that onto there, push it round, and then we'll do the final piece. I haven't quite put enough onto the saran wrap, so I'm going to just pop a little bit more. I magically prepared some for you earlier. The trick to this is leaving the items for 24 hours so that when you take the cling film off, this is what happens. Are you ready for this? Look at that. Big question that people ask me all the time with alcohol ink is how do we set it? How do we make sure, especially when it's on ceramic, how do we make sure it's not going to wash away? The really good news is that when we do this, all we need to do is we can just leave it as it is. Just wash it by hand, just obviously don't put any alcohol on it. You can just treat it as very delicate pottery, or we can seal it. I use a product called, where are we? Kmart. Like a varnish, and it sets the ink, it stops it from being affected again by any alcohol. So if you want to spray it to stop it being lightened by the sunlight, you need to spray it with this first and then spray it with or add any kind of UV varnish, UV resistant varnish on top. I'm going to take these, I'm going to set them up so they look beautiful so you can see exactly what we're talking about. Hey guys, so I've just popped together all of the items that we created because I wanted you to see just how gorgeous all the different colours are and how they actually work together. So there's the purples and the pinks that we just did, and I did that a little bit quickly, and then we have the pink and the red going across to a couple of different blues, pinks and blues, and then right at the back here we've got our green and red. Such a quick, simple make that will really impress anybody that you want to give something like this to as a gift. I hope you've enjoyed my make here today. I've really enjoyed being with you. In case you've forgotten my name, I'm Fiona Debell. I am here on Hometalk, and you guys keep on Hometalk and keep on doing those DIYs. Follow me. Have a great day.